Hi, Geraldine here with Carpets of Arizona. I just want to explain to you why we get so many 5-star reviews. Do you think it's the men? No, it's me. I'm the one responsible for making sure you have beautiful carpet and it's installed right. I tell those men what to do, and they better damn well do a good job, so we earn your business and your referrals. I care about you, and I'm the reason why we get so many 5-star reviews. So call Carpets of Arizona, and you'll be sure that me, Geraldine, will make sure the carpet gets done right. Come on, ladies, we have to stick together. You know it's us that makes the world a better place. Thank you.